Hello investors and traders, and welcome to the weekly market report with the market guys. I'm AJ Monty. I'm happy to report this week's results from last week's weekly market report. We have 100% accuracy once again, and what I'd like to do is just go over some of the projections that I put out last Friday so you can see the evidence firsthand and how accurate technical analysis really is. This is a daily candle chart of the S&P 500 ETF, ticker symbol SPY, and as I zoom in here I'll show you that this was the candle from last Friday, and I drew my forecast line here almost at a 50-degree angle, with the end of my line being my target price. And lo and behold, what happened Monday, almost right on the opening, we hit the target, trade a little bit higher, and then we pulled back. Now the interesting thing here is that the S&P is now looking bearish. So what we're going to do for next week is I'll do this all over again for you. I believe that the market, particularly the S&P, is going to drop below this key support level. So I'll leave that support level right there, and I will draw my trend line showing what I think we can see for next week. So I think we will drop below that key support level, just like that. I think we'll go lower as we make a move to possibly fill this gap all the way down here in the S&P right around 203. Now, one of the reasons why I've turned bearish on the market right now is because if you look here, you'll see that the volume is increasing while the price is dropping, and that tells us that the sellers are accelerating their downward pressure. And so that support level is going to be tested next week, and I think we could see a break in that support maybe Monday or Tuesday, and then eventually go lower. So that's for the spiders. If we look at the Qs, that's the NASDAQ market, QQQ. You'll see again I've left my lines on the chart from last week, with this being Friday. We blew right through my target price on Monday, stayed above that target price on Tuesday, pulled back to it on Wednesday and Thursday, and then today we broke down below that again with all accelerated volume here to the downside. So I'll erase this line for you. I'll back up just a little bit and I'll show you what I think we're going to see. This is the newest support level now for the Qs, and I think that the NASDAQ market will also drop, hitting my target below support. If you look again, to recap and how I strategize this and how I put my targets, the end of this line right there is right around 114.65. So that's my target price for the Qs. Keep an eye on this, monitor the price with us, and you'll be able to follow along and learn technical analysis as we go. If you look at the Russell 2000, that's a more broad-based index, you'll see again we moved up to my target price. Here is Friday, and Monday, Tuesday, we hit my target price again right to the penny. Look at that. My target price was 1231.1. The high for the Russell 2000 was 1231.93. So we were within 80 cents of my target. We went a little bit higher than that, and then we pulled back. Now the interesting thing for the Russell 2000, as I erase this line, is that the Russell 2000 could actually go up a little bit early in the week to retest that former support, which is now resistance, and then I think we'll see a downturn after we try to recover some of what we lost in the Russell 2000. So keep an eye on that one. And finally, the diamonds, DIA. We did go up again Monday, Tuesday. We came within pennies of my high, but look at what I said. I said we would move up towards this resistance and pull back. So we came close to that, but we absolutely did pull back today, Friday the 28th. So I'm going to erase all lines right now for the diamonds, and I'm going to redraw a break in support. What I think we can see for next week is this is a newly established support level for the week. I think we're going to move and drop below that support level. Again, the red candle on accelerated volume tells us that the sellers are motivated. That's number one. Number two, we have a closing price for the diamonds below that blue line which is the 20-period moving average. So that's another sign of weakness that we're using as a guide and telling everyone to basically protect their downside. Might want to move to some cash on some positions that are questionable, and then we could, again, continue to look for opportunities along the way. You know, the volatility index, ticker symbol VIX, this was one of the most amazing forecasts because, again, here was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday was the close. I said we would drop down. We did that. I said we would come and test this support level and then bounce. Look at that. We came down on Monday and Tuesday, hit the low there, and then completely rallied back up to my target, which I said would be the target fill for the gap up here. That would be the gap fill target. And so we went above my target prices for the VIX. And if you follow the VIX, you'll know it's a contrarian indicator to the S&P. So if the VIX goes up, the S&P will drop. So I think that the VIX has enough momentum on the upside to keep it going to the upside. So I think the VIX is going to go higher to retest this support level up here. And then, remember, if the VIX goes up, that is going to be a negative thing for the S&P. Again, I'll put my price level right at this high because I think that's what we will see as a target for the VIX. Now, if you'd like to learn more about some of the terms I'm using and some of the concepts we teach, just go to themarketguys.com. That's our website right there. You can go to the video tab right there, and it'll bring you to a video library that we have what we call market shots. These are short videos. You can learn from there. And then stay tuned because over time, we have open house Q&A sessions that will be posted in this general area right here. So when we have an upcoming Q&A event, you can log in. It's free. Ask me questions. I'll analyze your stocks in front of the audience. And it's an action-packed hour of fun with the charts. So have a great weekend. We'll talk to you soon. Stay in touch with the Market Guys. So long.
For almost 3 decades, A.J. Monty has motivated audiences worldwide about creating personal wealth and winning in business. His time-tested risk management strategies focus on ideas that involve a keep-it-super-simple approach, also known as the KISS principle. These concepts have been delivered to people in over 16 countries around the world, reaching audiences in the millions. AJ is a best-selling author of 2 books, The Market Guy's 5 Points for Trading Success and Take Charge of Your Money Now, both of which have been featured on PBS Television, Fox Business News, ABC TV, as well as Sirius Money Radio. As a financial educator and consultant, he has worked with some of the most recognized names in the financial industry. Companies like Bank of America, Charles Schwab, E-Trade Financial, Scotiabank, and TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. If you have ever been challenged with having to make a tough decision regarding when to buy or sell a stock, then help is on the way. The Options Oracle and Equity Oracle Alert services are designed to help you make those tough decisions. AJ will not only help you find the best trade candidates, but he will also lay out the exit strategy for each position in an easy-to-understand format that anyone can follow.
Hi, my name is A.J. Monty, Chief Market Strategist for The Market Guys. For almost 30 years, I've traded stocks, options, futures, and even currencies. I've traveled the world teaching people just like you how to profit in the market using time-tested strategies that focus on risk management. You see, the secret to making money in the market depends on your ability to limit losses when you're wrong. In other words, if you want to make a lot of money in the market, don't lose a lot of money in the market. Now that may sound funny, but it's true. Most investors are challenged with 2 questions. The first question is, how do you find a good stock? Well, the best way to find the right stock starts with eliminating all of the stocks you would not invest in. This process of elimination is called stock screening. And our services help you overcome the odds so you're putting your money where the money is going. We're simply following the trends. The second question most people ask of me is, when is it time to sell? Well, if you don't have an answer to this question, then you might find yourself in a position where you're holding on to your stocks when things go against you. This is the worst thing you could possibly do because I believe this is no longer a buy and hold market. It has evolved into a buy and protect market. Holding on and hoping for things to get better is not a strategy. In fact, doing this will eventually lead you to a catastrophic loss, and you wouldn't want that. Our trade alert services help answer these two questions. Not only will I help you find the right trade candidate, but I'll also show you how to use the charts to manage risk. I don't use the charts to predict the future. I use them to protect the future. The charts tell me when it's time to get out as well as when it's time to get in. And that's what I'd like to teach you as well. We have two services, the Equity Oracle and the Options Oracle. The Equity Oracle is an alert service for traders who would like to trade only equities, whereas the Options Oracle is our premier alert service for both equity and option traders. Each alert is laid out in an easy-to-understand format that shows charts depicting entry and exit points. Risk management is our cornerstone of each service, so you don't have to struggle with the decision of when to get out, or when a trade goes against you, when should I take my loss. The strategy is to use the KISS principle, keeping it super simple. As a bonus, you'll have access to a live Q&A session as well, each and every month. This is where you can submit a stock symbol, and I will analyze these stocks while we discuss the best trading strategies for each position. And it gets better. In addition to the alert service and the live monthly Q&A sessions, we're also developing a member page that will include instructional videos about how to get the most out of our service. Without question, this is the best trade alert service available on the market, and we look forward to having you as our newest subscriber. Simply click on the link below to subscribe. It's easy. Once again, I'm AJ Monty, Chief Market Strategist for the Market Guys. Thanks for watching.
Enrolling in this service is easy. Simply click on the link below to subscribe, and your weekly alert will be delivered right to your email box. And if you act now, we will include AJ's best-selling book, The Market Guy's 5 Points for Trading Success. This is a first-time offer that will get you on the road to success and keep you there. Remember, if you continue to do what you've always done, things will never change. Positive results will only come after you've taken the first step in the right direction. We look forward to having you as our newest member.